Hi children, welcome to grade 7 maths class session 4 video. I hope everybody is fine and enjoying the video classes. I am going to recall now the previous class. Last class we learned the properties of addition, closure property, commutative property, additive identity, additive inverse and associative property. After this we just completed the page 10, page 11, page 12 and page 13. After this everything will get over from the exercise 1.1. okay, so I gave this as a homework sums. I hope everybody completed up to this. Okay, now we just this is page 14. We're going to learn subtraction of integers. Listen children, this is example 1.10. Subtract the following using the number line. Okay, this is your question. So minus 3 minus 2, minus 3 minus 2. Okay, you just think about sum from the addition. Okay, like that the same only we going to do now. From 0 you should move to first number. What is the first number here? Minus 3. Minus 3 is your first number. You should move to minus 3 first. Okay, after this minus is there. After this what is there? Minus 2 is there. This number only we just wanted to move how many times? Okay, like that the addition sum. Okay, the only one thing is getting changed here. What does it mean? Minus means here we just want to move to the right side. Okay, plus means we just want to move to the left side. Okay, are you clear? For this subtraction, this is the rule. Okay, listen children, I am going to show you how we done in the addition. Okay, few minutes. So addition, number of times we move. So here I written, just see here, minus means left side, plus means right side. This is for addition. Okay, but in the subtraction, minus means right side, plus means left side. So here what number they given? Minus 2 they given. So we just wanted to move to the right side. Okay, right side of minus 3. So 2 times we want to move. How many times? 2 times. 1, 2. Are you clear? So now answer is minus 1. Answer is what ma? Minus 1. So you just write it here. Minus 3 minus 2. Okay, equal to. Okay, minus 3. Okay, minus into minus is plus 2 equal to minus 1. Are you clear? Okay, now we are going to do the second sum in the same example. So what is the first number here given? 6 they given. So you just keep on the 0 first. From the 0 you should move to the 6. After that you just see here what number this is? Negative number. Okay, negative number means we just wanted to move to the right side of the 6. We just want to move to the right side of the 6. So right side of the 6 means how many times we want to move? 5 times we want to move. So you just move 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 times if I move means my answer is positive 11. You just write it here, plus 6 minus 5 equal to plus 6 minus into minus is plus 5 equal to 6 plus 5 is 11. 6 plus 5 is 11. Are you clear? Always you should keep in your mind this rule. For subtraction, this is minus right side plus left side. Okay, second number is number of time you want to move. Number of time you want to move. Okay, are you clear? This example. Okay, now we are going to do the example number 1.1. 1.11. Okay, subtract minus 40 from 70. From 70. So from the given means next number what is there? 70. You just want to write that as a first. Okay, what we going to do now? Minus, we going to do the subtraction. Then what number from before what they given? So 40 minus 40 they given. Like this only you want to write. Are you clear, children, why I am writing write this? Okay, from next what number is there? 70 is there, so that number only should come first. So this is a subtraction, so I just given the minus here. After that this number is minus 40. Okay, are you clear? Before that you just give the equal to sign. After this 70. Okay, minus into minus, minus into minus, plus. Okay, after this 40. So 70 is plus 40 is, say, 110. Okay, are you clear this example? Very much easy. Okay, now we are going to do the second sum in the same example. This is your page 15. Okay, so here also you should write that minus 20 they given. Okay, you should write the same number as a first. Okay, here that subtract they given, but from that and all they are not given. Okay, so minus 20 means minus 20 you write. Then minus into minus, minus into minus is plus 12. Okay, here one number is negative, one number is positive, so we just wanted to do the subtraction. Do the subtraction. If you do the subtraction means you will get the answer 20 minus 12 is 8. Which number is bigger when compared to these two? So 20 is the bigger number. Before what symbol is there? Minus is there, so you just write it here, minus 8 as the answer. Okay, children, next to do this you are going to solve example 1.12, 1.12. okay, find the value of, like that the same subtraction only we going to do here also. Okay, find the value of the given, so you just write it here. First number is minus 11, so minus into minus is plus, so I'll write here 33. Okay, so one number is minus, one number is plus, so you just wanted to do the subtraction here. Plus 33, 11. Okay, children, listen here. First here they given the minus 11 only. Why, ma'am, you are changing and writing like this? If you think means bigger number, if you write in the above only you can do the subtraction, so that only I written like this. Okay, are you clear? Okay, minus into plus is, minus into plus is minus we want to do. Understand? Okay, 3 minus 1 is 2. Again 3 minus 1 is 2. Which is the bigger number here? 33 is the bigger number. Bigger number before what symbol is there? Plus is there. So your answer is plus 22. Okay, are you clear? So in the same example, this is second sum. Okay, now you write it here. I just give one line here. Okay, now minus 90 they given as a first number. Minus into minus is plus, so 50. So here you do the subtraction. One number is negative, one number is positive. Of course we want to do the subtraction. Subtraction do means we will get the answer. What answer we will get? 40. 90 minus 50 is 40. Which is the bigger number here? 90 is the bigger number. Bigger number before what symbol is there? Minus symbol is there. So you just give the minus 40 as the answer. Okay, very clear. Very much simple sum. If you understand means try to understand, and if you are not understanding means you just pause the video and then again you play and listen clearly, you can understand. Okay, so next to this is example 1.3. Example 1.3. So Chitra asks rupees 150. Chitra has rupees 150. Okay, she wanted to buy a bag which cost rupees 225. How much money does she need to borrow from her friend? Okay, so she had only 150. Cost of her bag is 225. How much money she need excess? Okay, that is your question. So you just write the solution. Okay, cost of bag equal to rupees 225. Okay, here Chitra has CHITRA. Chitra has how many rupees she has? Rupees 150. So you just do the subtraction, means you will get the answer how much money she need excess. Okay, so if you do the subtraction, means what you will get? 5. Okay, you get the borrow from here. So 12 minus 5 is 75. Okay, she need how much money excess? 75 rupees. Okay, amount to be borrowed equal to, therefore amount to be borrowed is rupees 75. Okay, very much simple. Simply you can do the subtraction and find the answer. That's it. Okay, now move on to page number 16. This is your example 1.14. Okay, shall we start to do this? Very much easy, these two. What is the balance in Cherian's account as a result of a purchase for rupees 1079 if he had an opening balance of rupees 5000 in his account? Okay, listen children. Opening balance what he had? 5000 rupees. So 5000 rupees அவன்கிட்ட இருக்கு. அதில் 1079 rupees வந்து purchase பண்ணிக்கிறான். So remaining money எவ்வளோ அவன்கிட்ட balance இருக்கும்? This is what your question there. Okay, very much simple. Solution. Okay, first opening balance equal to rupees, how much money he have? Opening balance 5000. Okay, purchase. Okay, purchased for rupees 1079. We just wanted to do the simple subtraction here, then you will get the answer. Okay, here 0 is there, we can't do the subtract, so you just buy the borrow from the next and next number. So here it will change into the 4, here it will change into the 9, here also 9, here only 10 will be there. Okay, or you understand? Okay, 10 minus 9 is 1, 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 0 is 9, 4 minus 1 is 3. So the answer is rupees 3921 rupees. He had a balance. Okay, therefore balance amount equal to rupees 3921. That's it. Okay, simple sum now. Okay, now we going to learn example 1.15. Okay, the temperature at Srinagar was -3 degrees Celsius on Friday. Okay, if the temperature decreases by 1 degree Celsius next day, then what is the temperature on that day? Okay, very much easy, some students. Nothing here. So Srinagarla Friday la -3 degree Celsius க்கு டெம்பரேச்சர் இருக்கு. ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் டேக்கு என்ன இருக்குன்னு சொல்கிறாங்கன்னா மைனஸ் டிக்ரீஸ் ஆகுது. 1 டிகிரி செல்சியஸ் வந்து டிக்ரீஸ் ஆகுது. அப்போ 1 டிகிரி -3ல் 1 டிகிரி செல்சியஸ் டிக்ரீஸ் ஆனால் என்ன டெம்பரேச்சர் நெக்ஸ்ட் டேயில் இருக்கும்னு கேட்குறாங்க. ஓகே, வெரி மச் சிம்பிள் சம். ஓகே, ஷல் வி ஸ்டார்ட் டு டூ திஸ்? ஓகே, சொல்யூஷன் Friday எவ்வளோ டெம்பரேச்சர் -3 டிகிரி செல்சியஸ். ஓகேவா? ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் டேக்கு என்ன ஆகுதுன்னா 1 டிகிரியாக டிக்ரீஸ் ஆகுது. ஸோ -1 டிக்ரீஸ் அப்படின்னும் போது மைனஸ் சிம்பிள் யூஸ் பண்ணணும். ஸோ -1 டிகிரி செல்சியஸாக டிக்ரீஸ் ஆகுது. ஓகேவா? ஸோ டிக்ரீஸ் ஆச்சுன்னா அப்போது எவ்வளோ இருக்குன்னு கேட்குறாங்க. ஸோ மைனஸ் மைனஸ் போத் த நம்பர் ஆர் negative, so we just wanted to do the addition. Okay, here see 3 plus 1 is 4 degree Celsius. 4 degree Celsius. Listen children, which number is bigger here? 3 is the bigger number before what sign is there? Minus is there, so we just wanted to give the minus. So answer is -4 degree Celsius. -4 degree Celsius. So you just write it here. Therefore next day temperature equal to -4 degree Celsius. Okay, are you clear? Listen children, here only you may have one doubt. இது என்ன, இது -3ன்னு நம்பர் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. -3ல் ஒன்றை வந்து நம்ம வந்து டிக்ரீஸ் பண்ணுறோம், அப்போ -2 தானே வரும் அப்படின்னு நீங்கள் திங்க் பண்ணலாம். ஸோ -3யை 1 வந்து டிக்ரீஸ் பண்ணிங்களான்னா -4 தான் வரும். ஓகேவா? -3யை 1 வந்து டிக்ரீஸ் பண்ணால் என்ன வரும்? -4 தான் வரும். எப்படி நான் உங்களுக்கு இந்த நம்பர் லைன் காமிக்கிறேன், அப்போ உங்களுக்கு புரியும். லிசன் சில்ட்ரன், இங்கே பாருங்கள், -3 இந்த சைடு தான் டிக்ரீஸ் ஆகிட்டே வருது, இந்த சைடு வந்து இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகிட்டே போகுது. ஓகேவா? அப்போ -3ல் 1 டிக்ரீஸ் பண்ணால் என்ன வரும்? -4 தான் வரும். ஓகேவா? அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்டா? ஓகே, ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட்டு page number 17. Example 1.16. Example 1.16. Okay, a submarine. Additionலையும் ஒரு submarine sum பார்த்துருக்கோம். இப்போ subtractionலையும் again we going to see the submarine sum. Okay, a submarine is at 300 feet below the sea level. How many feet? 300 feet below the sea level. Belowன்னு வந்திருக்கு, அப்போ நீங்கள் என்ன சைன் யூஸ் பண்ணணும்? மைனஸ் சைன் தான் யூஸ் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, இஃப் இட் அசென்ஸ் டு 175 ஃபீட். அசென்ஸ் அப்படின்னா மூவ் அப்புன்னு அர்த்தம். ஓகேவா? மேலே போகுதுன்னு அர்த்தம் திருப்பியும். ஓகே, அப்போ மேலே போகுதுன்னா அப்போ இப்போ எவ்வளோ சப்மரைன் வந்து இப்போ எந்த லெவலில் இருக்கும்? திஸ் இஸ் வாட் யுவர் கொஷின். ஓகே, வாட் இஸ் இட்ஸ் நியூ பொசிஷன்? ஓகே, லிசன் சில்ட்ரன், ரைட் இட் யுவர் சொல்யூஷன். Okay, submarine initial position means ஆரம்பத்தில். ஓகேவா? ஆரம்பத்தில் சப்மரைன் வந்து எந்த பொசிஷனில் இருந்துச்சு? சப்மரைன் எந்த பொசிஷனில் இருந்துச்சு? 300 feet below. 300 feet belowல இருந்துச்சு. So you just write it here -300. Are you clear children? Why I am giving the negative symbol here? So it's below, so that I am giving the negative. Above means I will give the positive. Okay, okay. Next, if it ascends to, ascends means move up, I said. So up means we just wants to give the plus 175 feet. 175 feet. here you write ascends to. Okay, are you clear? Now you just do it. Minus plus is there, so we just wanted to do the subtraction. Okay, subtraction do means here 10 will come, here 9 will come, here 2 will come. Okay, are you clear? So you just write 10 minus 5 is 5. Okay, 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 7 is 2, and then 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, listen children, which is the bigger number, 300 or 175? 300 is the bigger number, so we just wanted to give the negative sign here. Okay, are you clear? So minus 125 feet, minus 125 feet. In this we just come to learn 300 feet downல இருக்கும்போதும் ஒரு 175 feet மேல வந்தா கூட அந்த சப்மரைன் வந்து எங்க தான் இருக்கு, டவுன்ல தான் இருக்கு. So that only we just given the below the submarine. Okay, so here you write, therefore the submarine is 125 feet below the sea level. Okay, are you clear? Listen children, instead of this minus only, here I mentioned this word below. Okay, are you clear up to this? Okay, now all the example sums we just completed. Now exercise 1.2. Exercise 1.2. Okay, so we're going to start at this one. So 1.2, first sum is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Listen children, here what number if we give means we will get this answer. This is what the questions here. Okay, so minus 44. What number if I give here means I will get a minus 88. So here also if I give the minus 44, if I give means I'll get the answer minus 88. You just check it here, minus 44, again minus 44, minus into minus is plus, so 4 plus 4 8, again 4 plus 4 is 8. Both the numbers are negative and same number, so we just want to give the minus sign before that. Okay, are you clear? Okay, so next to this second sum. So what number if we give here means we will get the answer minus 45. So minus 45. So here minus 75 is there. Okay va? So minus 75. So minus 75 la ஏதோ ஒன்னுத்தை subtract பண்ணா மட்டும்தான் minus 45 கிடைக்கும். Right? So minus 75 plus 30 if we give means we will get the answer minus 45. Is it right? Yes, 45 will come. Bigger number is 75 before, minus is there, so we just want to give the minus sign here. So what is the answer for this question? So plus 30 is the answer. You just write it here, plus 30. Okay, so next to this is this sum. So some number if we give means minus into plus is minus will come. Okay va? So some number we going to do give here. So minus 50 is here. Okay, minus 50. Don't consider this is a plus 50 because here minus is there. So minus into plus is minus. So minus 50 is this. Okay va? So what number if I give minus 80 I will get. I just write it here, minus 50 equal to minus 80. Okay, are you clear? Now if I give minus 30 means I'll get the answer minus 80. Okay va? So minus 30 minus 50 equal to minus 80. right? Minus into minus is plus. We just add both the number, 80 will come. Bigger number is 50. 50 before minus is there. So minus 80 is the answer. So answer for this is minus 30. Okay, are you clear? Move on to the next one. Page 18. Say true or false. Say true or false. We just solve this sum and we will get the answer means true. Otherwise it is false. Okay, very easy. I just solve it here. Minus 675. Minus into minus is plus 400. Here you write minus 675 plus 400. Okay, both the symbol are different. So we just wanted to do the subtraction. I will get 6 minus 4 is 2. Bigger number is 675. Before the number minus is there. So we just wanted to give the minus 275. So answer what will come? Minus 275 will come. But here they given minus 1075. So answer is false. Okay. Next to this both the number are same or not, they are asking the question. So 15 minus into minus is plus 18. Okay, what will come? Just add both the number. 8 plus 5 is 13. 1 plus 1 2, carry 1 is 33 will come. So here also same, 15 plus 18 is there. Okay, wow. Here minus into minus became plus. Here this directly given the plus. Understand? Here also I will give the 33. So both the number are yes same. So answer is true. Okay. So next to this sum, whether they are asking to check us both are same, that is equal. Okay, shall we solve this? Okay, minus 45 minus into minus is plus 8. Here minus 8 minus into minus is plus 45. I'm just solve this first here. Minus 45 plus 8. Here this side plus 45 minus 8. Okay, wow. Why I am written here change and return? Because we are going to do the subtraction. Subtraction means bigger number should come up. So plus 45 and then I written this minus 8 down. You just solve this one. Minus into plus is minus. Minus will come. Our bigger number is minus. So 45 minus 8 is what will come? 37. Okay, here plus 45 minus 8. Both the symbol are different. So we just wanted to do the subtraction. Here also what answer will come? 37 will come. But here bigger number is 45. 45 before plus is there. So here plus will come. Okay, wow. This is minus 37. This side is plus 37. Children, you just answer to me whether both the number are same. No. Very good. Because this is the negative number, this is the positive number. Both are not equal. Okay. So equal to போட்டு இந்த மாதிரி அடிச்சா not equal னு அர்த்தம். Okay வா? So not equal. Answer is false. Okay. Children, up to this I am going to finish today class. After this you just do this sums as the homework. On Friday 5/6/2020 try to do this all the sums. Children, I am just worrying about you people are writing the questions and answers whatever I am showing you, but you are not trying the sums whatever I am say to do. Okay, but this time I am expecting from you all, you just wanted to do all these 4 sums, solve the sums and show me the answers also. Okay. I'll meet you on the next class. Bye bye. Thank you for watching this video, students. Stay home, stay safe, have a happy learning.